My 80% win rate future strategy. Dude, it is so easy. I have a whole mentorship around this. I have a whole live stream around this. I live stream Monday through Friday trading this strategy. It's so easy. What I'm doing here is on all my videos, they're all basically VSLs to my mentorship. The strategy is so easy, but there's still some key components that you're missing that you need. In the course that I go over this, I teach market direction. There's so much that I teach. In the mentorship, I review your trades and we go over your trades. So dirt cheap. I'm real big on building community. So if you want to be profitable and you are a real trader, please give it a look, give it a shot. I want real traders. I don't want to be trying to teach people who are just gambling and blowing all these prop firms. I need somebody who's going to step back, master a strategy, and then make money with that strategy because I need real testimonials. So let's get into it. Let's get rid of my face here. The mentees I have now are already doing so well because of the way I teach. And I want to show you the same thing that I show them. But on a grand scheme of things, let's just make things simple. All we're looking for is this pattern, okay? I call it NNT. We're looking for nothing else. So every time we go up, price goes up and down. Every blue candle is price going up. Every pink candle is price going down, okay? So price goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Just again and again, all day, every day. And I trade the 5-second time frame, so this happens so often. Up here on the top left is a 1 minute. On the top right is a 15-minute. So obviously you're going to see less up and downs on the higher time frames like the 15-minute and more up and downs on the lower time frames like the 1 minute and the 5-second. So every time we come up and down, we're always taking new swing highs and swing lows. What are swing highs and swing lows? Every top is a swing high and every bottom is a swing low, okay? No matter what direction we're going in. So on the way down, every top is a swing high, every low is a swing low, okay? So when price is going up, every time we take over a new swing high, we mark it out and we put a line. And it's called a breakup structure. We can also call this a sweep. They literally mean the same word. There's no difference between sweep and breakup structure. So it just keeps happening again and again, okay? So breakup structure keeps happening to the upside. And then to the downside, breakup structure happens. Swing low gets taken and just happens again and again and again. Like an example right here, the swing low right here gets taken, swing low, and we have a new swing low, okay? So what's so important about this pattern and what breakup structure and sweeps? This pattern right here that we're looking for specifically, we're looking for that breakup structure and sweep to happen. So the breakup structure and sweep are the same thing. There's no difference. So we're looking at price right here, okay? We're looking at this pattern. We're looking for the sweep first, or the breakup structure as you would call it. So swing high right here. So we put a line there, and this is our sweep, okay? Price comes down, takes the low, so our breakup structure. So the low that we took and the high we created from that low is our zone. So let me show you that exactly. The swing high, the new swing high, and the previous swing low is now a zone. We get a box and we put a box connecting to those two pieces. And now we're looking for a few more requirements here. And I can write it down right here, right in front of you. We're looking for the sweep, we already saw. We then want a breakup structure after the tap. And then we want 1 SCDV. You're all, what does all this mean? I'm going to make it super easy. It's not complicated. It just sounds fancy. So what we want is a breakup structure that I taught you. We want price to come into the zone. So price is coming out, comes back to the zone. We tap the zone. And guess what? We need the breakup structure to still happen. So we tap and breakup structure happens again. So we got our sweep already up here. Here's our sweep. We got our breakup structure after the tap. Tap happens, breakup structure. We want price to reach 100% away. So we get our zone. And let's check if it's 100% away. Price is 100% away from the original zone. So then now we cross out 1 SCDV. We're expecting price to come into the zone, fill me at 50%, and come and hit my take profit below or hit my stop loss above. And let me show you one last thing before we backtest the strategy. On a zone here, when price is coming back, we enter at 50%. If we're betting to the downside, we want to put our take profit on the line below and our stop 1 tick above. And boom, take profit gets hit. Let's get rid of all these drawings here. And let's start looking for the strategy. I've already done my whole top-down analysis. I teach this in the mentorship. But enough of me yapping, let's perform. This is December price action, so I've been skipping a lot of plays, especially in the live streams. Um, I I don't want to have a lower win rate. Like that's just the truth of it. Like I want to maintain my high win rate. I want to maintain my high status with that win rate and with the strategy, especially with the mentorship. So I'm going to be super duper duper selective. I do not want to take trades that are not A plus 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 plus. It's just that easy. And if you are currently trading a model or trading multiple models, you need to take a step back and stick with one model. And within that one model, to only take the best setups and nothing else. There is no need to be looking for multiple setups, different models. Just stick to one model that doesn't change and that follows all these high requirements and stick to it. Stop gambling, start taking this serious. After you get to the scale of mastering one model, you then can begin to pass prop firm challenges because you already understand what you're supposed to be doing, and then you just manage risk at that point. And my cheat sheet is always 10% of drawdown that you risk on the prop firm challenge that you're trading. That's the most safest way and consistent. If you are good at trading, you've already mastered the strategy, then you can just cut down your prop firm trades to like 4 trades or 3 trades. I recommend just 2, to be honest. So if I have $2,000 worth of drawdown, like 2K worth of drawdown, I'll risk 1K per trade because most of the time I can just pass off 2 trades. It's really rare when I'll take a loss. And if I do, I spent what, $30 just to get funded. Just do it. If you are good enough and you are profitable, obviously. But don't do it if you're not. But yeah, that's basically it. We're just waiting for a setup. Obviously, we're just ranging here. I want a 1 minute candle close above this red zone to confirm bullish. I'm still looking for bearish plays here because we're still struggling. Because look at this. And on the 15-minute candle, you can see we've just been chopping this area above. This drawing here is a drawing that I just made. I'll get rid of it. Please leave a comment. Please leave a like, subscribe. I have so many videos where I talk about the strategy nonstop. It's all I do. I just focus on NNT and nothing else. Now I'm looking for bullish plays. Hopefully you can find something on the upside. Let's see where standard deviation is at with this play. Didn't really cross it. All right, I like this play. I'm going to pause it here. I'm going to take a gamble on this. I really like these a lot. These have been my personal favorite recently. Okay. So the sweep isn't fully proper. It's just of accumulation. But the volatility leaving the zone is so strong that I love it. The volatility, sorry, forgive me. As you can tell, I always have like a slur with words here. And what, 11 contracts? Oh, I risk 300 per zone on the live streams, but I'm trying to encourage the mentees to do $50 per zone. So, okay, we're at 2. All right. Let's see if we come and fill this here. Let's put it on my main. Come on, come on. Oops, pause it. I like this. I just want to be ready for it. I don't want to skip it. I have a bad habit of skipping plays. Okay, would I keep my order on here? Yes, I like the tap that we got. Would I keep my order on here? Yes, if we break that eternal swing, I'm ripping it off. Oh, we tapped. If we break that eternal swing, and I'm taking it off. Yep, I would have passed on this play, and let's just keep it moving. Not a trade I would take in. Green. It tapped way too much for me. Oops. Come on, come on, come on. It filled. That's awesome. It filled 50% here. It hit take profit. That's real cool. Just didn't meet my standards. I didn't like it. It's December price action. Just keep marking these zones out. Make this red. So it feels like we're gonna just dump. Let's see. We want a 1 minute close above this. We don't want to struggle. As you can see, we're struggling. I see nothing. 1 minute close just happened. Awesome. Do we see any plays here? I do. I see a really pretty play. Almost like textbook perfect. But let's see where standard deviation is at. Oh, got so close. I see a lot of these plays to deliver, even if they don't touch standard deviation fully. But I have standards and it's December, like I just said, so I want to be selective here. Come on, buddy. Come on, cross standard deviation. I want to take it. And we crossed it. Nice. I want it now. Let's see here. Proper sweep. Got it. Let's make sure we get the bottom correctly. Make this my main. Let's put in a long position. Let's make sure we're at $50. Nice. Put it at here. 2 contracts. Got it. Okay, so if we come in here, I'm in it at 2 contracts. I'll let you know if I take my order off or not. I like everything so far. Swing high, swing low, the sweep, tap on the zone, break your structure after the tap. We reach standard deviation 100% away. I would have liked this. Yep, I would have kept my order on for this. Let's see. I want us to enter around this time now. I don't want us to keep coming back up. If we break a high, I'm not gonna. Yeah, I don't like this no more. We broke this high. I don't want us to come break it. If we did, I'm done. So let's get rid of this. We're now gonna make this green. It might deliver. It's not meeting my standards. I'm moving on. Okay. Wow, it delivered. That's so awesome. 50%, take profit. I just don't like the amount of tasks that we got. Don't see nothing. You know, I realized I don't trade past 11, and I've been backtesting past 11, which is funny. I stopped trading at 11 o'clock. Sometimes I'll wait for a play to like 11:10, which is really rare. So let's skip to the times that we do trade. We trade at 12:30 to 1:30. I wasn't even paying attention. And then 1:30 is right here. Okay, let's just skip to it. What is it? Shift and forward? Yes. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're about to get there to 12 o'clock. So I take a break after 11. I trade from 9:40 to 11. I wait for volatility to do its thing, and then I come back at 12:30. So yeah, I wouldn't want to sit through all this nonsense. Change this to 3. Let's see what we're seeing here. Okay, you know what? That zone's been holding. Let's respect it. Okay. All I really see is this right here. Did we reach standard deviation? We did not. Let's make this green. Okay, we're seeing pretty bearish here. Let's see. I don't really like playing first flips, but I do like this. I do like this a lot, actually. I'm more likely going to take this. Standard deviation. Yep, check. Red. Oh, let's make it my main. Sorry. Short position. Okay. And I don't have this at 50. I do. So 4 contracts. Let's make this 4. Let's see if we get tapped in here. I'll tell you if I take my order off. I'll tell you if I get in. Okay. I would take my order off. There's things that I have, and I teach in the mentorship. We cross this red line, orange line, whatever you want to call it, and then we touch this blue line. The zone becomes mitigated. I mean, the zone is no longer tradable, and I'm gonna move on. That sucks. I really wanted it. I was really ready for it too. That really sucks. Okay. It can be a bit frustrating seeing us more than likely gonna fail 50% still, and then hit take profit. But like I said, I want that high win rate. I'm not gonna play games. I'm not here to gamble. No. Okay, nothing. I see something here. I want a strong reaction because this tap is so weak. I really want a strong pull. Yeah, nope. Absolutely not. It failed. How awesome is that? I wanted a stronger reaction. I did not like how weak this tap was. But it still delivered. How cool is that? Really saying nothing at all. It's just so ugly. It's just barcode after barcode. Just beep, 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 beep. Hmm. Well, look, this more than likely might play out and might get respected. I won't take it though, but you can see the pattern is happening. I make it green so it stands out more. Seeing it even delivered. 50% take profit. The pattern still happens. It doesn't meet my standards. I'm not gonna take it. It's lower probability. You see it again right here. Pattern uh happens again. Oh look, and it delivered. Delivered again. Swing low, swing high. 50% take profit. It's just the pattern keeps happening again and again. Pretty cool. Yeah, no trades for me. So as you can see, we just went through an entire session, didn't take a single trade. Maybe we'll find one in the last 5 minutes. Maybe not. Yeah. No. All right. Enough of me yapping. Let me show you my face. So what we did here, we just sat through an entire backtest session. I didn't take a single play. I backtested December price action on December 11th, 2024. I trade at these certain times all the time. I backtest the same times I trade. I trade the same times on my live streams. I don't do nothing different, and I also mentor people to do better trading the strategy. In this tough month of December, I'm helping them backtest and I'm helping them improve. So please join. I want a community. I want a strong foundation for you, so you can keep passing these prop firms and you can actually make money. I enjoy doing this. I love teaching. If you have any questions, please ask me. I think that's it. I've done too much selling, not enough valuing. If you want more value, let me know. I'll post some more value. But alrighty, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching once again.